Hi and welcome to this video. My name is Brian Nelson from Encaustic Art Plus, based in Elsica, South Yorkshire. Right guys, welcome to the video. Thank you for supporting my channel, and I'm hoping you find the content useful. And if you've got any suggestions of what you want, drop me a message and we'll try and film something that you want to see. I'm just going to run through a really basic landscape because I know lots of you have just got kits and things in recent weeks. What I'm going to do is mix up a sky. So you want plenty of white on your iron, some pink. And you're thinking, pink? What's that all about? You'll see. A little bit of light blue, tiny bit of darker blue, and a few dots of yellow. So the easiest way to remember how to mix a sky is sky blue pink with yellow dots on. And I'm going to fill about a third of the card with sky. Just run the sky in. That will make for a lovely sky. Oops, I've just got wax all over me. I should have an apron on as well when I do this, guys. So you've got a sky. And then we're going to put some hills in here. Or some mountains. I think we'll do some mountains for a change. So we're going to load up some mountains. So we're going to load up some pink at the top. A little bit of darker blue. And a tiny bit of brown. And a tiny bit of green. Okay, and then I'm going to use the... I'm going to tilt the iron. Let me see if I can get this so you guys might be able to see this quite well. And I won't be able to see anything, but never mind. And hopefully this will start running, doing something because I can see it. So I'm just pushing these mountainy type things. It's like on a grey colour. And I'm sort of drawing it on a bit like a graph or a, looks a bit like the chart off a art monitor, to be fair. So I'm just going to use the flat part of the iron now, just give it some pushing underneath. I'm not too worried that we've sort of run out of this. Just push it along a bit. Just grab a bit of this, it'll be fine. And at first you all think, what's he doing? Don't worry, I've got an idea. And we're going to tap the card and iron together with my finger behind. Just be careful when you do this because I'm used to it, but you guys might not be so used to the warmth of the iron coming through. So it starts to look sort of like a grassed area. And I'm just going to add some more colours to the iron. So a little bit of red violet just dotted on. Hopefully you can see that, yeah. And some greens. We've got light green, a little bit of brown, a little bit of blue green, and a little bit of olive green. And then again I'm just going to dot that on and off. I'm not going to worry how much or how little goes wherever, because then we'll sort it out as we go along. So I'm just literally just bouncing that around, and it sort of makes the like little tufts and turrets and all sorts. making marks within the grassy areas. Then let's start splitting it up a bit and making a bit of something of it. So perhaps we want a pathway, so we'll have one of them. So iron up like a stiletto heel, and then twist the iron a little bit, and then I've just worked sort of rounding a bit of a curve, and then you'll probably find it easier if you twist your card and do little lines from the bottom of your path, following it round, straight lines parallel to the edge of your card every so far, and then on the other side. Like so. We might want some trees, for example. So a tree, again, I'm just same bit of the iron, just pull a tree out of the ground. Few longer bits of grassy stuff around the bottom of the tree, just so it don't look like the tree was just plonked on there. You might want some birds in there. Let's get some brown wax, 2 taps, flick and a flick. Three little birds. We could do a little bit of sawing at the bottom, just to add a few more bits and pieces. We can just keep building this picture up as much detail or as little detail as we want. About adding little areas of interest, but keeping the picture simple. I hope you've enjoyed watching that. Please like and subscribe to the channel. I'm now available again for workshops, just give me a shout. Happy painting everyone, and we'll look forward to seeing you all in our next video.